Hi, this is Dave Berg and Hernan Reyes again, talking about MLM and our evaluation of the methods for being successful. We're longtime technology executives, both having worked together for 25 years. We've now both been retired. In the last 3 or 4 years, we've been working with doing consulting and working with MLM organizations. So we want to just have a little discussion about what the truth is about what is the method, the right method to be successful in a multi-level. Hernan, let's start with what you're thinking.
Well, one of the things that it calls my attention is the criticism that is being vented about what is called the old structure or the old way of doing business by the network marketing people. And really the numbers that we talk about, the numbers that they are published, 97% failure, where the new salespeople last an average of 3 months in the job. It's an indication that something is dead wrong. As of 2 years ago, there was a publication by Ann C., an author, the author of a good selling book, The 7 Greatest Lies in Network Marketing. That book is an indictment of the present traditional method of doing network marketing. And indeed, rather than reacting to what is being said there, and having been an analytical type of person for all my life, I would like to understand what are the components of the problem. And in my mind, I'll give you my ideas, Dave, and you can add to it or correct them or disagree or give me your opinion anyways. And really amounts to 3 simple things. If we identify the pieces, in my mind, I think we can then pursue independent courses of action to see if some improvement can be made, or simply prioritize them and really allow people to work on those problems that have a heavier impact than others. The area number 1 is the traditional network marketing people. That means what is today in place and has been in place for the past 50 years. It's a way of doing business, is a culture. Okay. The second one is what I call the change driver, and that belongs to the ANSIs of the world, plus the people doing magnetic marketing and proponing attractive marketing, etc., etc. In essence, what they're saying is we have good technology today based on Internet and Web 2, and let's use it and let's get into the 21st century. And the third party involved in this is the group of new salespeople, the guys who are just joining, the guys who will join in the next year or so, and who, by reading the book, The 7 Greatest Lies, are agreeing with NC, saying, yeah, 100%, that is what happened to me. I think I was told a number of things that they are not really exactly how it happened to me. And I think they were a major contributor factor to my failure. Since 97% of them failed, that's a lot of people who are really concerned about whether this is exactly what the real world is or there is room for some improvement. What do you think, Dave?
Well, I think you hit the nail on the head. Seems to me that you have a couple of camps. You have the tried and true, the old method, the old paradigm, if you want to call that, and you can't say that it hasn't worked, because it does work. I mean, it's built successful multi-level companies. It's built very successful distributors. But on the other hand, I mean, it seems to be a lot of disappointment, a lot of, you might even say, failure in not being able to get the success from the variety of people that are recruited. Now, on the other side, you have the people criticizing this and saying, that this is all wrong and you need to use the new technology, et cetera, to do this. Well, I think in some ways they're both right. One is that, there is some problems, there always is problems. Technology now can help us out. But, I think that there's good things in both the old and the new. And, being that we're both technology guys, I think we kind of favor a little bit of the new, since it uses technology, etc., to do what it is. But one of the things I find that seems to be in either case, whether you're looking at the new or the old, is a requirement that once you find, your prospects, that the prospects are anxious to work with you, and that we get back to then this point of leadership and the leadership value or attraction value of the MLM distributor. And to me, I think this, when you don't have enough traction, I think this is primarily why people are disappointed. And they don't think that they need to be leaders in order to develop a leadership organization, and that's not true. You just have to be leaders. So we'll be back talking about more of the issues and more of the secrets to success, etc., in multi-level marketing. Until then, this is Dave Berg and Hernan Reyes saying, have a nice day. We appreciate the opportunity to have this discussion with you today. We'd be happy to talk to you a little bit more about us. Contact us at the emails below. Thank you and have a great day.